Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Carrie and welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into the video, I need you guys to do me a favor. I need y'all to stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your push notifications so that when a new video drops, you will be the first to get it. And as you guys can tell by the title, um, you will be cooking with me today. And today I will be making some hot wings and fries. Something simple, something light, something that's not going to take all night. But before we jump into this video, let me introduce y'all to the kids. And by the way, how's everybody doing? But yeah, let me introduce y'all to the children. Right now they're just in their own zone. And excuse their own, they're currently playing with their toys. Say hey. How you doing today? Close your legs. How you doing today? Okay then. Say hey. And how you doing today? And he is over there knocked out in his brother's bed. So yeah. So how is everybody's day going? What did everybody do today? How was work for those of you who works? My day was pretty relaxing, pretty good. Not much. I don't really too much go anywhere, especially with COVID and having a little baby. So I try to pretty much stay out the way because I'm not trying to catch that. I know that is like no joke at all. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I've already started my fire so that my grease can get hot. I've already cleaned my chicken. Now I'm going to season them. I'm going to switch it up a little bit because I usually use every seasoning that I have in the cabinet, which is seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and everything. These, this one, and the ground mustard is new, so I'm excited to try that. I get excited about cooking and trying different seasonings. So I'm going to use accent. And y'all, this Montreal chicken is good. It gives it a better flavor. You can find it at Joe V's, HEB, Walmart. It's a little bit more expensive there. This is my first time trying these. This roasted garlic herb. I have everything. Each one of these. I have the Montreal chicken, the roasted garlic, the barbecue, the maple, and some. It's just a lot of different ones. Then I have my sauce for my wings, and I'm also going to be making French fries for the kids because they don't really too much care for the wings. So I'm going to go ahead in with my accent. And since I've already washed my hands and washed my wings, when I mix it up, I'm not going to mix it up with my hands. I'm going to use some tongs. And y'all, this was like when I was pregnant with the baby. This was my favorite thing to make. Every single weekend, I was making hot wings and barbecue wings and French fries every single weekend. And at that time, my mom was staying with me. So when she would get up for work, she was like, "Oh, we're gonna have wings tonight." And I was like, "You be looking forward to them wings, huh?" And she was like, yeah, I be looking forward to the wings. And on Friday, she'll call me and she'll be like, what you cooking today? You ain't cooking no wings? I'd be like, nah, because I burnt myself out when I was pregnant, so I want to switch it up a little bit. And y'all, my daughter, she loves to cook. I think that she's going to be a chef because she absolutely loves to watch me cook. She has a little play kitchen and she loves to cook. Wait, you gotta wait. Now my son, I don't think he's too much good. Wait. But thank you. Once they get of age, I'm gonna start teaching them how to cook when they're 12. Simply because it's a tradition in our family. My grandma and grandpa were from Louisiana, and down there, they were taught at the age of 12 to learn how to cook, clean, iron their clothes, you know, just pretty much learn how to start being independent. And that's what I want to do with my kids, because I don't want them to have to depend on anybody to cook for them or anything like that. Because pretty much all my uncles and aunties, like all my mom's siblings, they all know how to cook. Uncles too. And that's how I want my kids to be. I want them to be able to know how to cook for themselves and not depend on anybody. Because then you depend on somebody to cook. You know, that person might not want to cook all the time. Me, I love to cook. Okay? I love to cook. Cooking is my thing. Cooking is my hobby. Right now, I am trying to launch a business. I want to do catering because I cook so well. And that's just something I want to do, because you have some caterers, they charge an arm and a leg for a small event, and not everybody can afford that, you know. So I want to be able to give people an opportunity to afford. If they have an event, they want to be able to afford something. Like, people don't want to have to cook for their own event. I mean, I wouldn't mind having to cook for my own event, but everybody else is not the same because everybody can't cook. Then you have some people or couples who have date nights, and and they don't want to go out. They want to stay in and have a romantic dinner. You know, stuff like that. And y'all are probably wondering, am I single? No, I am not. All of my kids have the same dad, and we're currently still together. He's not here at the moment, but y'all will not be seeing him because he's not a public figure type of guy. He's not really into social media or anything like that. So yeah, we've been together 7 years. Sunday on the 8th is gonna make 8 years. It has been a very, very long road. It has not been easy. It has been very, very complicated. We have been through stuff probably even married people have been through. And people be like, y'all been together for such and such. Y'all got 3 kids. Why y'all not married yet? Look, we're going to get married eventually. But it's going to be on our time, not when other people want us to get married, or not because other people are saying, why y'all not married? Why y'all not married? We don't want to rush it, because when you rush it, it's not going to work. you're gonna be soon to get a divorce, and I don't want to be married 3, 4, 5 times. I want this to be my only and first marriage. That's it. No divorce, none of that. I don't believe in divorces. You know, not me. When I get married, I want to be married for a long time. My grandpa and grandma, they were married for, I want to say, I think it was 30 something years. They got married when they was 18. And all of my aunties and uncles that are married right now, they have been married for 19, 20 years. That's how I want to be, married for that long. I don't want to be married and end up getting a divorce. I don't want that. And y'all, every summer since I've been living in my apartment, I've been living here almost 4 years. Next March will make 4 years. I always have a serious problem with flies during the summer. It's like they be coming out of nowhere. And I think it's because I have window units, which I absolutely hate because you have to clean them once a year. And right now, I'm having a hard time finding somebody to clean them. But that's the only thing I hate about living in this type of apartment. I'm sorry, y'all. Kids are cutting up as usual. But, yeah. It's like I be killing flies all day. And my kids, they be literally trying to help me kill them with their shoe. And it does not work. What are y'all thoughts? Like, how do y'all kill a fly if a fly comes into your home? How do y'all do that? Because it really irritates me. It really does. Like, I literally be getting frustrated. And they mainly be downstairs. They don't go upstairs into the rooms or the bathroom. Let me get my flour. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to get my flour. This is flour that I used day before yesterday, and I didn't put that much in the bag, so I'm just gonna add some more and re-season it up because I just added some more to it. And y'all, when y'all frying chicken or anything, do y'all season y'all flour? And how do y'all do this? Because I see a lot of people, after they season they flour or whatever, they add their chicken to the flour and the grease don't even be hot yet, and they have to wait until the grease is hot, so they chicken come out soggy. How do y'all feel about that? I hate soggy chicken. Like, that's, ugh. I do not like soggy chicken. Like, that is nasty. I will not eat it if it's soggy. I'm sorry. Like, just wait till the grease is hot enough to where you can put your chicken in it, and then dip your chicken into the flour. That's all you have to do. But, and my grease is just about done. And this pot right here that I have, I'm gonna use this for my sauce. A lot of people just pour the sauce over the wings once they're done, but me, I like to heat up my sauce. I like it to be hot, and then because I add a little honey, and then once I dip my wings into the sauce, I put it in the oven for about maybe 15-20 minutes at the most, because I like it to be a little bit crunchy. Because it's like once you put the sauce on there, it gets a little salty, and that's the big no-no. But y'all comment down below on what kind of videos y'all think I should do besides, because I'm unsure. I'm very unsure. This is only my second video. Last night, the first video I did, it wasn't really my best. I think I could have did better. And I think it was because I was nervous and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to mess it up or anything like that. And I watched plenty of videos and looked up on Google on ideas on what to do. Don't judge me, y'all. And this is too big. Okay. And I was just nervous. But I guess as I go along, they will soon get better. The more videos I do, then I will get down to the nitty-gritty. And I'm currently doing this on my phone, so y'all just bear with me. My kid's father is gonna get me a laptop and a camera so that I can make my videos better, because I've been having a hard time all day on trying to find apps where I can edit the videos correctly and, you know, make them pop so that it'll catch y'all's eyes and stuff. And a lot of these apps you have to pay for, and I'm not gonna pay no $12 or anything like that for no app. You know, I just wish they made them all free. But I think I found one that I'm going to use. I don't remember the name of it. I will leave the app down in the description if anybody wants to know which app it is. I'm pretty sure y'all probably already know. And also, I will be making a video, probably tomorrow, on my remedy of how I've been keeping me and my kids from catching COVID or any slight colds or fevers or anything like that. So I'm going to do a video on that, because so many people on my Instagram, when I make the video on Instagram, they've asked me about it, and I gave them the ingredients, and they still can't get it to how I get it. So that's what I'm going to do. And this really helps, you guys. It really does. Opposed to getting a shot. I don't think I'm going to get the shot. I'm just going to keep on wearing my mask. not like this lighting. And my grease is all the way hot, so I'm going to have to turn it down because it's on high. Okay. It's not that hot. I thought it was going to pop on me. Trying to make sure there's not no extra pieces in here because I always do that. Baby in there. Okay, guys. I got my first batch in there, which is 4 wings and then 4 more. Okay. And no, I'm probably not gonna eat all of this. The most I probably eat is maybe 3, and then I have the rest for tomorrow. But let me finish frying up these wings and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Everything is done. The wings are out of the oven and the fries are done. Here are the fries. I did 2 different kind of fries because the little fries I had maybe a little bit, and then I went ahead and added some more fries, which was the steak fries. So yeah, and these are our wings. They look pretty good, don't you think? So yeah, you guys, that is all for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.